Walnut Grove Secondary School, located in Langley, British Columbia, is one of the province's largest secondary schools. With an exceptional athletics program, numerous AP courses, and French immersion offerings, WGSS provides excellent opportunities for all students. Perhaps lesser known is that WGSS houses one of the largest and most diverse computer departments in Western Canada.
The computer department is so special in terms of what they have to offer.
We actually offer 24 different computer courses that students can take from grade 8 through grade 12. It's a huge variety. This year we actually have 31 different blocks available to students that they can take some sort of computer course.
Kids really can pick anything from coding to 3D modeling, 3D animation, video production. We have an absolute smorgasbord that kids often find something they like and they'll take 4 or 5 classes in that.
So you're really getting the depth that is really unavailable at almost any other school in the province.
We've really tried to build a culture into our computer department. You know, we joke that it's a culture of nerds, which we embrace. As soon as you walk into our hallway, you're going to notice that all of our doors are done up with various, whether it be Star Wars or Doctor Who or, you know, like a comic book theme. As you walk into the classrooms, we have student work, but we also have movie posters, we have video game posters, we have references to pop culture. So we really try to make it kind of have this vibe, this feel for students, so they feel very comfortable and they just kind of say, you know what, this is a really cool place to learn.
It's an environment where we want kids to feel welcome, we want them to feel like they belong, we want them to feel like they're learning about technology and computers in a variety of ways and just following their passions wherever they find those are.
We're like a family, I think of these people as like my brothers and my sisters, and I just really love that like family atmosphere and like how close we all are.
There's no judgment. Everybody's very accepting of who you are and what you like because everybody shares the same passion for computers.
Our catchphrase is making school fun.
Everything's based on student-centered learning, or we do everything project-based. So it's very minimal teachers standing up there teaching, you know, do exactly what I do.
It's a lot of hands-on, a lot of the teachers sort of helping you out, getting over these little hurdles, and then really the student putting in the effort, student, you know, producing the work, and the teacher there to sort of help out, offer some advice, give you guidance over anything that's a little bit on the challenging side.
It feels like it's very professional. I feel like all of the equipment we use, I could use when I graduate. Like it feels like all the skills that I'm learning, I will for sure be able to use when I go to university.
I like that there's a lot of creative license with all the projects that we do and that we're able to express ourselves through that.
We think often first about what's a cool idea for a project, and then we go back and figure, okay, what are kids going to be learning in that? That's the fun part. They often don't realize that they're actually learning something inside that assignment.
We're an amazing computer department honestly because of the leadership. I mean, we got some of the best and most forward-thinking teachers. They're not satisfied with just status quo. Like it's always changing up here. We're always, whether it's redesigning a room, whether it's purchasing new cool things for the students, tons of new 3D printers or whatever kids are interested in. Purchasing things that we think kids would love to play with and love to design with and love to create with, and just spending that money on the kids and never being satisfied with just status quo. So that everything up here is always changing, unique, and new.